How to pay with Google Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can pay using Google Wallet. Now first things first, what you can do is first you'll have to tap on add to wallet option once you open up your Google Wallet at the bottom right corner of your screen, and here it'll ask you to set up a payment card, right? Simply tap on payment card option and you want to set up your payment card. Now once you have set up the payment card, all you have to do is you'll have to open up here. You can see you can add manually here your payment card. All you have to do is you can tap on payment card and it'll ask you to scan your card. If you want to enter it manually, you'll have to tap on enter details manually and enter your details manually. And once you have added card, all you have to do is you'll have to open your wallet, and at the home page you'll be able to see your card. And once you open your Google Wallet, all you have to do is you'll have to place your phone against the terminal and a quick scan and your payment will be made. So this way you can pay using Google Wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.